where he's sitting in the classical transport for Cambodia, tuk-tuk. Let's go to the center. We are here in Kampot Old Market and it's very crazy, very interesting. They have live animals and a lot of fish, chicken and fruits and vegetables. Super interesting to see. They make everything in the floor or they kill the animals here live. Super interesting. If you go to Kampot you have to see this also.
We are the only tourists here in this market. I didn't see any tourists here.
Now we're gonna make the boat tour to see the sunset and the fireflies, and the boat will pass in this small bridge there. And we don't know how.
We have to lie down.
They say that they're gonna speak in the microphone and everybody have to lay down. I'm a little bit afraid. If anything goes wrong, they're gonna jump on top of the bridge. Let's see. And if you do this tour, you receive 2 free beers per person. So I think it's nice. And it's just $5. So now the boat is full. We go soon and we're gonna pass under the bridge. I'm already afraid a little bit, but let's see.
We ordered now some food. I'm very curious about what we're gonna receive because this girl didn't talk any word in English and this card is a little bit hard to read because some things they don't translate. So let's see what we're gonna get.
Now we go under the bridge. I hope we don't need to lay down. It's very near. I think we really have to lay down. Lay down, babe. Really have to lay down here. So crazy. Whoa! Yeah! We survived. We didn't know what was that. We received raw shrimps with pepper. And she received something here. And we don't know what it is also.